2025 Toyota Camry continues its legacy as a reliable and efficient midsize sedan, now exclusively offering hybrid powertrains across all trims. Under the hood, the Camry features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with electric motors, delivering a combined output of 225 horsepower in front-wheel drive models and 232 horsepower in all-wheel drive variants. This setup not only enhances performance but also significantly improves fuel efficiency, with the LE trim achieving an estimated 53 miles per gallon city and 50 miles per gallon highway. The exterior design showcases a modern and sleek aesthetic, featuring 16-inch 10-spoke silver-painted alloy wheels and LED lighting elements. Inside, the Camry is equipped with an 8-inch Toyota Audio Multimedia touchscreen system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. Comfort is prioritized with dual-zone automatic climate control, Softex, trimmed seats in the SE trim, and available leather trim seats in higher trims. Safety remains a cornerstone, with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus standard across all models, offering features like pre-collision warning, lane departure alert, and adaptive cruise control. Pricing for the 2025 Camry starts at $28,400 for the LE model, with the SE model beginning at $30,700. This competitive pricing, combined with its enhanced fuel efficiency and comprehensive feature set, positions the 2025 Toyota Camry as a compelling choice for those seeking a dependable and modern midsize sedan.